Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Arnett Gardens and Racing United played out an exciting 2-all draw in the feature match of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex in the Jamaica Premier League on Monday night. Tajay Grant gave Racing the lead in the 16th minute before Arnett's leading scorer, Warner Brown, equalized in first half stoppage time. Racing thought they found the winner in the 86th when Javon Basco scored a 30-yard screamer. However, substitute Shea Smith ensured Arnett earned a share of the points when he made it 2-2 in the second minute of stoppage time. The result meant second-placed Arnett moved to 58 points, 10 less than first-placed Mount Pleasant FA. Seventh-placed Racing moved to 38 points, the same as sixth-placed Waterhouse FC. And third-placed Montague Bay United defeated Chapelton Maroons 1-0 in the curtain raiser at the venue. Shaniel Thomas scored the all-important goal for the former champions in the 15th minute as they moved to 56 points. Chairman of the organizing committee for the series of Velocity Fest track and field meets, Bruce James, says his event could be the first on the freshly laid track at the National Stadium. When TVJ Sports visited the National Stadium on Monday, James shared that he did not plan for the meet to be the first on the new track, but says he's honored to be given the opportunity.
I would dare to say that we're not lucky but blessed. So we're very thankful that things are working out for us. We had planned the date of the Velocity Fest many moons ago for Saturday, March 22nd, right here in the National Stadium. And to serve as a tester and the first to get to compete on this track would be a real honor, and World Class Athletics looks forward to that.
And that's the midday news. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.